I'm Nidhi Razdan. Well, as Donald Trump completes 1 year in office in his second term, a shift that we have seen during his last year in his presidency has been a sort of rising backlash against the Indian American community. Now, there is generally a sort of anti immigrant sentiment that we see in America at the moment, but the Indian American community has till now been largely immune to that. Indian Americans have lived in the US for decades. They have contributed enormously to America's economy, to innovation, and it shows. You can see some of the biggest companies in the US, from Google to Microsoft to Pepsi, have been headed by Indian Americans at some point or another. They've done so much in technology, engineering, medicine, innovation. In fact, an interesting statistic is that when you look at the median household income of different groups in the United States, Indian Americans have the highest median household income, even higher than an average American household. So that tells you how well they've been doing. They've also had more political clout in recent years. We've seen more and more Indian Americans enter the US Congress, even run for president. So they're far more prominent as a community. But then something has started to shift under Trump 2.0. We are seeing increasing statements from Republican leaders, from Trump's cabinet, from the MAGA leadership, targeting the Indian American community, particularly the H 1B visas. And that's now beginning to manifest itself in the day to day lives of Americans who live in the US.